We are getting there. This is now, I believe, day 3. So I have something to show you guys. I'm really excited, and I hope you guys are too. This is my new LUMIX G7 4K camera. This is the new camera that I've been talking to you guys about, and the camera that I'm gonna be doing my YouTube videos in. All right, let's unbox. Okay, here we got some paperwork and some books, some guides. There you go. It talks about the lenses and just a quick guide on how to use it, or the manuals for the camera in all different languages. Put that aside. Oh my god, look at all these lenses. Maybe a future video. That's pretty cool. What else is this? Now, this camera takes amazing videos and pictures. So it just shows you what the lenses do. Also, all right, let's put all these paperwork to the side. And now for the good stuff. All right. Here it is, but we're gonna put this to the side for the moment and see what else is in the box. Look at this. So this is like the belt that you use to, you know, when you're hanging it on your neck. Looks pretty sleek. It's like a black leather material. And it says LUMIX G. Okay. On the side right there. What else do we have? And here we have one of these are the covers to put on the lens of the camera. I believe is for not that much light to come in, so it covers the sides. I don't know. I'm new to cameras, so I have to figure all this out, and I'm excited to. So we'll put that on the side. Oh my god, look how cute this lens is. So this is the 14-42 millimeter lens. So it says LUMIX. Hopefully that's focusing there. So cute. It comes with a cap. So you just turn this around, and then this attaches to the camera, and I'll show you that in a second. Oh, that's awesome. All right, so we'll put this to the side. Let's put it here. What else comes in this box? More stuff. Here we have the cable for the camera and the battery. So tiny. Look how tiny that is. Put all these papers on the floor for the moment. And here we have the actual battery charging pack. So that's that. You put the battery in here and you connect it on the wall. Is this wireless? Oh, wow. It's wireless. I've never seen that before. That's it. You put the battery in and you plug it in and you're all set. I think that's it. Let me just make sure, sometimes things can be hiding in here. Alright, put that aside. And now for the moment I've been waiting for, and you guys have been waiting for. Here's the camera. So they had two versions of this. They had the all black, and then they had the silver one. I chose the silver one because I wanted it to be different. Everybody has black cameras. This has some black, but it's really nice. Now you see the beauty on this camera. And I'm gonna show you it comes with the LCD display. I'm gonna read off all the specs from the box because I don't, like I said, don't know that much about this. I mean, I did when I purchased it, but it's not gonna register right now because I'm too excited about this camera that I'm gonna forget what's in this. So when you're filming, you can see what's going on. You can tilt it any angle that you want. Yeah, so that's pretty awesome. Cool. So this is where the lens goes. So you turn this around. So this is what they call mirrorless camera. And you put in the other lenses, and I'll show you that, guys, right now. So you take the back piece off, and you gotta make sure, so you won't damage the inside, that you're putting it where the prongs are, those little gold dots there, to connect it with the ones in the camera. All right, let's see. Just gotta jimmy it a little bit. There we go. Sorry, this is like, there we go. Oh. So you hear a click once it's in there. So there you go. Wow, I'm speechless. I'll show you guys again a little bit close up. I have to learn all these buttons and see what they mean and all that, and after that I should be a pro. So here I'm waiting for my microphone to come in today. So the microphone will go here. I also have a little cage for this camera that I'll have my LED light that is also coming in today. So yeah, so that will be my vlogging rig, I'll be using all the time. All right, let's quickly read what's in the box. I'm gonna put this on the side. Let's see what this camera has. I know it has 4K, 30 frames per second. You can connect to Wi-Fi and transfer all your photos and videos to your laptop or devices. All right, let's put this to the side. Let's get the box. So like I said, it takes 4K videos and has 16 megapixels. It has Wi-Fi. So the LCD, it's touchscreen. It has a time-lapse shot, which I love, time-lapse. Also has full HD, 1920 by 1080p. Yeah. So I'll put this camera definitely down in the links below. This is a Panasonic LUMIX G7 series. I can't wait to start vlogging with this. So this camera is not one of the latest, it's one of the older models, which to me right now, because I'm starting my channel, it's fine. It was one of the top rated cameras. I was like, you know what, let's try it. It's still a bit expensive, and this is my first one, so I'm gonna stick with this for a long time. So yeah, so if you're starting your new channel, I highly recommend this camera. It's time to play with this camera. You guys will see the videos and images in future videos. I'm gonna have you guys watch this B-roll. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. This is NY Self Made 86. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.